Having issues installing Spicetify? Here are 5 quick fixes to help you get up and running. Fix 1. Reinstall Spotify from the website. First, uninstall any old version of Spotify, especially the one from the Microsoft Store. Open Settings, Apps, search for Spotify, and remove it. Then, go to the official Spotify website and download it directly from there. Fix 2. Update Windows PowerShell. Next, open PowerShell and type this. Check the number next to PS version. You'll need at least version 5.1 for Spicetify to install properly. If yours is lower, download the latest version of PowerShell from Microsoft. I've included the link below. Fix 3. Set Security Protocol to TLS 1.2. Sometimes PowerShell defaults to using TLS 1.0, which won't work. Spicetify requires TLS 1.2 or higher. Just copy the command from the description and paste it into PowerShell. That's it. You're now using the correct security protocol. Fix 4. Install without aliases. If the command with IWR and IEX doesn't work, no worries. Here's a more reliable way. In the script, replace IWR with Invoke-WebRequest, IEX with Invoke-Expression. This can help avoid alias-related issues and works the same way. Fix 5. Access denied or blocked by Windows Security. Sometimes, Windows Security flags Spicetify as a PUA, potentially unwanted app. Here's how to fix that. Open Windows Security. Go to App and Browser Control. Click Review under Reputation-Based Protection. If you see Spicetify there, click it and select Allow on Device. That should solve any permission issues. If you're still stuck after trying all this, drop a comment and I'll help you out. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I've got more Spotify tips coming soon.